Hi! In front of me is ALCATEL One S 2020, and today I would like to show you how you can set up face unlock on this device. Firstly, open Settings and scroll down. Now choose Security and Biometrics, tap on Face Unlock, and enter your current login method. When you're done, read the disclaimer and tap on Start. Now choose Done and OK. So now when I turn off my screen and then turn it back on, I can see that face unlock is working properly. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!